Come, all you moonshiners, if you want to hear.
Welcome back to Barley and Hops. I'm George. Yes, the channel that dares to unlock the mysteries of home distilling. You like my prop? Yeah, I got my laser etching finished on this side. Don't know what to do with the other side yet. I'm working on that today. In 2 days, yes, just 2 days from today, on the 13th of March, we will host our first live YouTube series. And in that, we are going to cover all the topics that you have sent in, as many as we possibly can, and some other ones that we've come up with ourselves. To ensure, now remember that happens at 6 p.m. on the 13th, that's Central Standard Time. To make sure that everyone has an opportunity to enter. Yes, you've got to enter to win. We're going to have some giveaways. Haven't figured out exactly how many yet, but there'll be a substantial amount so that you have an equal opportunity. Please, this is very simple. Below this video, you'll find a link. That's the link to the initial video that we did, the one called Live Stream Announcement. Go to that video, click comment, and please just type in, yep, hashtag Happy Distilling. And if that's a challenge, below this video, you can just, I even put that in there, you can copy that and paste it. I just want to make sure everyone gets an opportunity to enter so that you may win. So please, share with us anything and everything that you think that we should cover. And we'll see what we can do about fitting all of that in. There's so many topics, and we look so forward to interacting with you in a live stream. Back to my laser etching. You never know. And we look forward to seeing you Friday night, 6 p.m., the 13th of March. That would be 7 p.m. Eastern Time. What would that be, 5 p.m.? Or 4 p.m. Pacific? You figure it out. I can only do so much. Happy distilling.